Hello, all. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the life. So, in today's video, I am going to show you a very simple yet elegant way how, without spending any money, you can make your kitchen look attractive and colorful. So, let's get started. So yes, finally our kitchen tag is ready and you can write any tag, anything what you like and make your kitchen look beautiful and full. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, do let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.